I'm your Korean friend Haley, and in this time, I'm going to teach you the Korean proverb, which I felt meaningful these days, which is, the grass is always greener on the other side. We have this proverb in Korean, so I'm going to tell you how to say this in Korean. Before going to the proverb, I want to tell my story. I told you this is meaningful these days to me, and I'm going to tell you why. I have a bad habit, which is comparing to others. You know, when you look at the Instagram, there are awesome people. When you look at the YouTube, awesome people. That feeling is okay. You can feel that. Yeah, right? I can feel that. But the problem is, I try to compare to others. I thought like, oh, they're better than me. Oh, they're better than me. And you know what? I felt small. I feel like, oh my God, I don't have that talent. I don't have that. So in this time, I try to compare with others like the grass is always greener on the other side, not my side. So I try to see others and compare, and that is not good, you know? And in this time, I want to tell to myself, the grass is always greener on the other side. This is English proverb. And then what is Korean proverb of this? I'm going to tell you. 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다. 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다. I'm going to tell you. So in English, they said about grass. So the grass over there is greener than mine. So they compare grass. But in Korean proverb, we don't compare grass. We compare 떡. 떡 is a rice cake. So 떡 is a rice cake. So they make a cake with the rice. So it's a rice cake. And then 남 is someone else. Someone else. So someone else rice cake. And then, oh, what is 의? 의 is possessive, like English of. So it's like off. So someone else rice cake 더 커 보인다. Let's see this. 보인다 is look or seem. Look, seem. And then 더 is more and 커 is big. So now you understand. Someone else rice cake looks bigger. You know? 남의 떡. Someone else cakes, 보인다 looks more big, so bigger. You know, in Korea, we said 떡. I always think like I have my 떡 and someone else have 떡, rice cake. And I compare and it feels like mine is smaller and someone else is bigger. So I always felt like that, compare to others. But 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다. It's not good. Don't compare. You know what? I told you I had a bad habit, which is comparing with others. And then I have been struggling with this for a few months. Oh, I'm not good. I'm not good. You know, I have been struggling. And then after that, I thought like, I need solutions. I need solutions. And then I tried to read books. I tried to read many books. And the books say a good thing. They said, don't compare with others. Don't. And they said, compare to yourself, not others. And I was like, what? Compare to myself? And the thing they're trying to say is, I have to compare to myself in the past. So for example, am I a better person than 1 year before? Am I a better person than yesterday? I try to compare in the past. So right now I am trying to compare not others, just myself. And that is helpful. I try to focus on me more than others. So, 남의 떡, I'm not look at 남의 떡. I just look at my 떡. Okay? I just look at mine, not others. For the 친구들 who have been struggling with comparing with others, don't do that. I've been there, and don't do that. Try to compare yourself, not 남의 떡. Okay? Looking back, if you think like, oh, I'm a better person than before, and you're improving, you are on the right path. Okay? Don't worry. I know that you're going to the right path, you're going to the right way. So don't worry about that. Okay? So 친구들, today we've learned the proverb 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다 with my story that I wanted to tell you. So I hope you have an amazing day today. Thank you for having the class with me, Haley, and see you in the next time. Let's grow together and go to bright future. 친구들, 안녕! 안녕! 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다. 남의 떡이 더 커 보인다.